Now I'm going to tell you how to install Godfather 1 game. So first of all, open the game which you have downloaded, and you must have WinRAR software installed in your PC. After that, click on extract to and choose the folder where you want to extract the game and click on OK. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes to extracting the game. After extraction, open the folder and click on setup. So when setup will open, click on next, choose the directory where you want to install the game, and next install. So you have to wait until all the procedure will complete. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes, depend upon your PC speed. You have to wait until all the complete setups will run. So now audio is decomposing. So click on finish when the game will install. So now we are going to tell you how to install crack. So go in the folder where you have extracted the game and go into crack folder, copy both of them and paste in the folder where you have installed the game. So paste here and replace the. Now one last step for this, because sometimes there will be game stop working error. Stop working error. How to solve? just one step. Go in the folder where you have installed the game. And click on movies, right click and rename movies folder with this movies. Let's see. So now game will work fine. You can run the game